everybody, today in front of me I have this Oukitel K13 Pro smartphone, and in today's video we would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, you want to open up the Google Play Store. At the search bar type in Opera just like so. Once the needed app is found, you gotta click on this green install button. Let me search for an Opera again. And well, now we gotta wait for the application to get downloaded and installed respectively. As you can see, it does not take a lot of time, so we will simply wait. Now you want to go ahead and open the app. In here, there are some options that we can configure right now or skip and leave their configuration for later. I'll enable ad blocking, enable tracker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. Here, just click on allow, and that is pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.